Hi, it's Kim Zoller. Are you taking care of your brain? Are you taking care and doing the work that you need for your mind? We have two sides. We have our side of how we show up to other people. We have our side of how we do our work. We have our skills. We have our intellect. And then we have all the stuff that is going on in our mind and in our brains. And what I have realized this week, just to the nth degree, how many of us, how many people are really having a hard time with the brain side, with the self talk, with the I'm really doing well and I can handle things, and really knowing that we can handle things. And for those of us with kids, it is even more important because what we're saying is not only to ourselves, we are also showing our kids that we can handle things and modeling for them that we can handle things. So I just want you, please, if you are not taking the time to do the brain work, to take care of your mental self and to talk to yourself with beautiful, kind words of gratitude, to really do that. This is our time to really be mentally fit so that we can do what we need to do, realize that we can get through anything. Like generations in the past, we can get through anything. Have the best day.